Hi, this is JJ at CCBC. In this video, we'll look at how to crop an image using Photoshop. Major topics we'll cover are, well, cropping. The software I'm using is Adobe Photoshop Creative Suite version 6 on a Mac. So let's get into this. Here I have Photoshop open already with my picture of the Earth. The whole point of cropping is to just select an area of the image that you want to keep and get rid of the rest. It's a little bit different than the selection video where we actually kept the entire image and deleted part of the background. Here we're just keeping a section of the image. So what I'll do, the first method for cropping is you can just take the marquee selection tool and select an area that you want to keep. Let's say I want to keep this as a wallpaper for a smartphone. Do about the proportions of a smartphone roughly. So this is the image I want to keep and I don't need the rest of this, so I'll go up to my image menu and just say crop. And there you go, I have my fully cropped image. Now I can save it for use in my project or import it onto my smartphone. The other method for cropping that's a little more efficient is to use the actual crop tool, which is this tool right here. So you'll notice when I select the crop tool, it automatically selects the entire image. It gives me some anchors, so there's an anchor here on the sides, both the top and bottom, as well as left and right, and then an anchor in the corners. So if I use an anchor on the top, I can adjust the height of my selected area, or at least the area I want to crop, same as the bottom. And then of course if I grab the sides, it's going to allow me to adjust the horizontal area that I'm selecting. If you grab a corner, it's going to allow you to adjust both. So here I can control both the height and the width at the same time, and it gives you the nice guidelines to help center your image. Or if you prefer the rule of thirds, you can use the guidelines for that as well. So there's my cropped area. Once I have selected my area, I need to apply the crop tool. Right now it's sort of in an editing mode and allows me to make adjustments. It hasn't been applied yet. So in order to apply it, all you have to do is select another tool. So I'll just go over and grab the marquee selection tool, and a little window pops up that says, do you want to crop this image? So I can either crop it, not crop it. If I hit cancel, it goes back to the crop tool, and I can make more adjustments if I decide I wasn't happy with something at the last minute. So click on my marquee selection tool, click crop, and now my image has been cropped. And that's how you crop an image. Hope you learned something. See you in the next video.